It's back to school season, so let's customize some notebooks. Yeah, let's. So, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I bought these about a year ago, so just peeking into the process, you can tell it's been taking me a bit of time to get motivated to do this project, and I figured back to school was the perfect time. What I started off by doing was making a red rectangle that would cut out the outside, which would be the exact dimensions of the notebook. And I tried to figure out the exact spacing, but there was like some irregularities, and in the end what I decided to do was to just take a picture of the notebook and then blow it up to the size of the rectangle and then add in all of the holes manually from that point. And once you had one, the holes were pretty uniform in size, so you could just duplicate and add over the top of the picture, which was nice. So I've been experimenting with some wood stains and just kind of varying the time that I'm leaving it on before I'm wiping it off. I do some really dumb things here, like use my table saw as the table that I'm using to wipe stain on. But you know what? The lighting in my garage is what the French call garbage. So this is really just so you can see what's going on. Another thing, I cleared out of the garage as soon as I started the laser because I don't know what the fumes this thing is kicking off, so I made sure that I gave plenty of time for it to air out after lasering these bad boys. So in summation, there are a lot of better ways to do this. This is just my way of doing it. So this is a really fun and easy way to get involved in the laser cutting community. It's a great beginner's project, and really once you have the initial template down, then you can go any number of directions with this. The only limitation would be your imagination. So we usually release a video every time that Beyonce drops an album, so you can keep an eye out for her stuff, or you could subscribe and hit the bell icon. I'm not going to tell you how to live your life. A couple of these will be heading to our Patreon supporters, Kim and Garrett Make It and Moody Wood Carving, so they can keep an eye out for those in the mail. If you're Scrooge McDuck and you would like to give us $1 a month, then you can find a link to our Patreon in the description below. And as always, thanks for watching.